What are the three normal physical states, phases, in which substances exist? A. Gas, plasma, liquid. B. Solid, liquid, gas. C. Liquid, gas, gel. D. Solid, plasma, gel. The correct answer is B. Solid, liquid, gas. How was exchange probably conducted for locally produced goods? A. Using currency. B. On barter. C. Via credit systems. D. Through a centralized market. The correct answer is B. On barter. Where is the Imam Pasand mango variety occasionally found? A. In the mountains. B. In the desert. C. By the sea. D. In the forest. The correct answer is D. In the forest. What happens to iron during the process of rusting? A. It undergoes a physical change. B. It becomes lighter. C. It gains a layer of zinc. D. It combines with oxygen and water. The correct answer is D. It combines with oxygen and water. The map section of the text indicates the location of which areas? A. Eastern India. B. Southern India. C. Northern India. D. Western India. The correct answer is B. Southern India. What was established after the overthrow of monarchy in France? A. An empire. B. A consulate. C. A republic. D. A national assembly. The correct answer is D. A national assembly. How are animals without backbones classified? A. Invertebrates. B. Warm-blooded. C. Vertebrates. D. Cold-blooded. The correct answer is A. Invertebrates. Chandrayaan-1 was launched from which location? A. Sriharikota. B. Bangalore. C. Mumbai. D. Chennai. The correct answer is A. Sriharikota. What did the hereditary village police become known as? A. Kotwals. B. Chaukidars. C. Darogas. D. Sepoys. The correct answer is B. Chaukidars. When blended with other fibers, what property does wool add? A. Decreased durability. B. Increased static cling. C. Drape and crease resistance. D. Greater absorbency only. The correct answer is C. Drape and crease resistance. In a double displacement reaction, if a cation replaces another ion, what must that other ion be? A. Another cation. B. A diatomic molecule. C. A neutral atom. D. An anion. The correct answer is A. Another cation. If a person is talking at one focus of an elliptical whispering gallery, where can their voice be heard distinctly? A. At the highest point of the ceiling. B. Only directly behind them. C. At the other focus. D. At any point on the opposite wall. The correct answer is C. At the other focus. Which South American country is a leading producer of oil? A. Argentina. B. Brazil. C. Colombia. D. Venezuela. The correct answer is D. Venezuela. Rickets is a deficiency disease associated with vitamin D. What deficiency disease is associated with vitamin C? A. Scurvy. B. Cholera. C. Goiter. D. Anemia. The correct answer is A. Scurvy. Rivers originating from the Himalayas are also known as what? A. Peninsular rivers. B. Coastal rivers. C. Himalayan rivers. D. Deccan rivers. The correct answer is C. Himalayan rivers. Common salt is described as a compound made up of what kind of element? A. A liquid. B. A gas. C. A metal. D. A non-metal. The correct answer is C. A metal. Why is food cooked faster in a pressure cooker? A. Increased pressure raises the boiling point. B. Increased pressure lowers the boiling point. C. Decreased pressure lowers the boiling point. D. Decreased pressure raises the boiling point. The correct answer is A. Increased pressure raises the boiling point. Which of the following elements can be recovered from rainwater? A. Sodium. B. Aluminium. C. Calcium. D. Magnesium. The correct answer is B. Aluminium. Which group occupied the Tamil country for about 2.5 centuries following the Sangam period? A. Kalabhras. B. Cholas. C. Pallavas. D. Pandyas. The correct answer is A. Kalabhras. Does the mass of a body change when it is moved from Earth to another planet with a different radius? A. No. Mass is an intrinsic property. B. Yes. It changes inversely to the radius. C. Yes. It changes proportionally to the radius. D. Only if the planet has a different atmosphere. The correct answer is A. No. Mass is an intrinsic property. How is the charge introduced into the blast furnace? A. Through a bottom valve. B. Via a side port. C. Through a hopper arrangement at the top. D. By manual insertion at the base. The correct answer is C. Through a hopper arrangement at the top. Which German emperor is mentioned in connection with the Crusades? A. Wilhelm II. B. Frederick Barbarossa. C. Frederick the Great. D. Otto von Bismarck. The correct answer is B. Frederick Barbarossa. Where is the T. Nagar school mentioned? A. Salem. B. Tiruvallur. C. Chennai. D. Kanchipuram. The correct answer is C. Chennai. Which element's symbol is derived from a mythologic character? A. Americium. B. Europium. C. Mercury. D. Plutonium. The correct answer is C. Mercury. What is the shape of the lens in the human eye? A. Cylindrical. B. Biconvex. C. Planoconvex. D. Concave. The correct answer is B. Biconvex. Which of the following is not listed as an example of a protein polymer? A. Silk. B. Hair. C. Enzymes. D. Polyethylene. The correct answer is D. Polyethylene. What describes the locomotion of most lizards? A. Limbless. B. Flying. C. Bipedal. D. Quadrupedal. The correct answer is D. Quadrupedal. What is a listed learning objective related to leaves besides their forms? A. Their color changes. B. Their sound. C. Their modifications. D. Or their weight. The correct answer is C. Their modifications. Who was urged to deal with Puli-Tevar for defying the company's authority? A. Yusuf Khan. B. Raja of Travancore. C. Khan Sahib. D. Colonel Heron. The correct answer is D. Colonel Heron. What was the intended impact of the 33% reservation for women? A. To improve the socio-political status of women. B. To decrease female literacy rates. C. To encourage women to stay at home. D. To limit women's participation in politics. The correct answer is A. To improve the socio-political status of women. How did you score?